Warm welcome you all to channel Meet MIT, that is Math is Tricky.
In this video, I'll be solving the problems of integration by substitution method. Okay, how can we solve the problems of integration by substitution method? So you can be with me and you can boost up your mathematics. My dear students, I'm always telling you that mathematics can be understood. It is not a subject of memorization. It is not the subject which should be mugged up. You don't have to mug up the mathematics. You have to understand it. You can understand it. And by practice, you can excel in mathematics. Integration of 3x squared times x cubed plus 1 whole cube dx. Okay, in this case, so we are going to integrate this, but it is very difficult to integrate this if we don't have the idea about substitution. Okay, substitution method. So some tips I'm writing here, some tips and tricks are there. So if you remember this, it will be easy. In case of polynomial function and power is suppose here n, then okay, so write like this. So suppose there is some function fx and power n and its derivative is there. So integration in this type of problems, see here one function will be there and its power is there, then always suppose put here y equals fx. Okay, then you move to step first 1, 2, 3. Okay, first step, then find differentiate with, after substitution you find dy by dx, that is find f dash x. Okay, that is, then find dx, come back to question, the question will be solved. Okay, so these are the 3 steps. First you substitute. So how to substitute? So see which derivative is given there. Okay, so in case of polynomial, this should be supposed here. If polynomial contains something in its power, so you always suppose this base as y, then differentiate it, always find the value of dx, then come back to question, that we substitute in question and simplify, you'll be getting the answer. So in case of this type of problems, we'll use this method. 3 steps are given there, and if you follow this, I'm sure you'll be getting the answer. Let me solve and show you. Okay, so question number 1, first one. So as before, I'll be using these 3 steps only. So here put x cubed plus 1 equals y, then dy by dx equals 3x square, therefore dx equals 3 dy by 3x square. Now, so come back to question. So it is here simply 3x square times y cube, dx is dy by 3x square, and this solved. So easily you'll be getting answer y cube dy, and integration for this is y power 4 by 4 plus c, that is x cube plus 1 whole power 4 by 4 plus c. Okay, for this trick is there, always we can see here derivative of this is given here, derivative of this base is given, so we can use direct formula. What is the derivative of this? Derivative of d by dx, x cube plus 1 is simply 3x square, and which is given here, so direct you can use formula. So you can direct use formula x cube plus 1 power 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 plus c, that's your answer. That is the same answer you'll be getting here, x cube plus 1 by 4 whole power 4 plus c. This is our answer. Direct we can use this. But my dear students, do I suggest you use this method in entrance exam. Don't use this method in board exam. Okay, just you can confirm your answer by using this trick. So let's move to question number 2. Question number 2. So question number 2 is here. Integration of x a square times a square plus x square whole power 3 by 2 dx. Again, let's put y equals a square plus x square. Then find dy by dx. dy by dx is here simply 2x because a is constant. So as before, you always find dx. dx is dy by 2x. Now the question will be solved here. So it is going to be x times y to the power 3 by 2 dx is dy by 2x. Don't worry about the variable, it will be cancelled. 1 by 2 integration y power 3 by 2 dy. And now we know the integration for this, so it is simply here 1 by 2 power here 5 by 2 means 2 by 5 y power 5 by 2 plus c, and it gives answer here 1 by 5 times y means a square plus x square whole power 5 by 2 plus c answer. This is our final answer. As before, we can use trick also in this problem. By trick also we can solve this. So what is the trick we have this for this problem trick? As I told you, see the integration x and a square plus x square whole power 3 by 2 dx. So first you write the derivative of this base, it is 2x, so write here 1 by 2 and 2x a square plus x square 3 by 2 dx. Now you can use the power rule for this. So 1 by 2 power rule, by power rule will be getting here a square plus x square whole power 3 by 2 means 5 by 2 plus 1 formula, and 2 by 5 here plus c. You see here we are getting the same answer. Okay, so this is the trick. If you follow the trick or the process method, you will have the same answer. Let me solve question number 3 for you and explain it for you. My dear students, it's all about the practice and about the concept. Question number 2 we have solved. Now move to 3. Number 3. So it is x by 3x square minus 4 dx. So as before, it can be written as here. So put for in case of fractional case, most of the time we will be putting for the denominator because its derivative is in numerator. So put y equals 3x square minus 4, that gives dy by dx equals 6x. Always find dx, so dy by 6x will be here. Now we're getting answer. So the question becomes x by this is y and dx means dy by 6x, so 6 x cancelled, 6 will be constant, it is taken outside. 1 by y dy, 1 by y means log y, so log y plus c, and it gives here 1 by 6 log y means y is how much? 3x square minus 4, 3x square minus 4 plus c. See here the trick for this. Okay, how can we solve this type of problem within the second? Without substitution also we can solve. So what we can do here, x, the question is x by 3x square minus 4 dx. Now what is the derivative for this? 6x, so write 6x by 3x square minus 4 dx and balance it by putting 1 by 6 outside. Now see here, 1 by x means log x, so we can write formulas. 1 by 6 log 3x square minus 4 plus c. Same answer, isn't it? See here, log 3x square minus 4. So derivative of this base is given in numerator. In that case, we know the formula for 1 by x means log x, 1 by x. So the derivative of x should be here to use the formula. This is the trick. Now question number 4. Let's move to question number 4. My dear students, if you practice and practice a number of times, by practicing you can boost up your mathematics, you can do well in mathematics. Number 4, question number 4. The question is here, x to the power n minus 1 by a to the power n and x power n square root dx. This can be written as here, we can write, okay, so no worry. So let's substitute. So in this case also we'll be putting here, put y equals whatever is inside the root. Okay, so it is here a power n plus x power n. Dy by dx will be how much? Dy by dx will be n x times x to the power n minus 1. Therefore dx is dy by n x to the power n minus 1. So what can be done here? So now by substitution we'll be getting here, let's substitute this. So x to the power n minus 1 by root y, isn't it? So root y, and dx is n x power n, sorry, dx is, the value of dx is here dy by n x power n minus 1. This to cancel. Now simply it is here 1 by n integration of y to the power 1 by 2 negative, and dy, so formula for this is 1 by n and minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, and this is plus 1 by 2, is 1 by 2 here plus c. So it gives here, it will go up, so 2 by n, y means how much? Y is simply a power n plus x power n, 1 by 2 means root plus c. This is our answer. Now let's see the trick for this also. What is the trick? Just within second we can solve this problem. So as before, according to question, x power n minus 1 by a power n plus x power n square root n dx. Now see the number or the expression inside the root. It is here a power n x power n. Its derivative is right here 1 by n times n x power n minus 1 by a power n plus x power n power 1 by 2. Yes, we can write like this. So now see the derivative of this is in numerator, so we can use power rule. By power rule we'll be getting here 1 by n a n plus x power n power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 and minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. It is same as the answer. Check here. So it is 1 by 2, so 2 will go up 2 by n, and it is the power 1 by 2, so we can write root. This is the trick also. So by both method, we can solve the problem and we have the same answer. It means same tricks. The trick is also valid, and we can use this trick in entrance exam. Also we can check your answer. Question number 5. See here, number 5. It is here 2x plus 3 by 3x square plus 9x plus 5 whole power 3 dx. How can we solve this problem? So to solve this as before, let's put here, put y equals 3x square plus 9x plus 5, and then find dy by dx. So it gives here 6x plus 9. Now find dx. So it is dy by 6x plus 9. We can write here dy by 3 common, so 2x plus 3. Now the question becomes here integration 2x plus 3 by, it is here y power 3, and then dx means dy by 3 times 2x plus 3. So this to cancel, so we'll be getting here 1 by 3 and y power minus 3 dy, which gives the answer as 1 by 3 y to the power minus 2 by minus 2 plus c, which gives answer minus 1 by 6, and then y power we can write it y square plus c, which is minus 1 by 6 y square means 3x square plus 9x plus 5 power 2 plus c. This is your answer. Okay, now see the trick also. By trick method also we have the same answer. To solve by trick, let's do like this. So you write here first derivative of the base in denominator. It is here 6x plus 9, okay, times dx. Now it is here 3x square plus 9x plus 5 power 3. So to balance this we have to divide by 3, 6 and so now once the derivative of this base is there, so we can use power. Remember the derivative of base must be there in numerator, so 1 by 3 and by power we will be getting here 3x square plus 9x plus 5 minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1 plus c, and it gives answer as minus 1 by 6 minus means we can write here 3x square plus 9x plus 5 whole power 2 plus c. This is our answer. Okay, hope you are getting this. So I'm solving the problems by both method, by process method and by trick method also. So in this way you can solve the same problem by two methods and we have the same answer. Now question number 6, move to question number 6. Similarly we can solve the problem. Question number 6 here, it is 3x plus 2 by 3x square plus 4x plus 1 whole power 3 dx. So as before, let's put y equals 3x square plus 4x plus 1, then find dy by dx. It is going to be 6x plus 4, therefore dx equals how much? Dy by 2 is common, so that will be getting here 2x plus 3x plus 2. Now the question becomes direct, let me write here direct, 3x is 1 by 2 and it will be here y to the power, this 3 will go up, so minus 3 and dy. So for this we can write here, so it becomes here how much will be getting here 1 by 2 and by formula it will be here minus 2 by minus 2 plus c, and it gives the answer minus 1 by 4 y square plus c, and its answer is here if you substitute for y, so 1 by 4 y square means 3x square plus 4x plus 1 square plus c. Okay, by trick also let's see here how will we solve by trick method. So simply as before, let's see here, it can be written as here 3x plus 2 and 3x square plus 4x plus 1 power minus 3 dx. The equation can be written in this form. So now let's see the derivative of this base. It is here 6x plus 4. To balance this, we'll write here 1 by 2 outside, 3x square plus 4x plus 1 whole power minus 3 dx. Now as the derivative of this base is given here just together with this question, so we can use direct formula for this. Let's use power rule. By power rule we'll be getting here 1 by 2 3x square plus 4x plus 1 whole power minus 2 by minus 2 plus c. You check this, both are the same, minus 4 and here power is same answer we are getting. So let's see question number 7, another question for you, question number 7, and solve it for you. And if you want to try by yourself, you can pause the video and solve it by yourself. So question number 7, number 7 is here 3x times x plus 2 times x cube plus 3x square plus 1 whole power 2 dx. Okay, so as before, let's put y equals x cubed plus 3x square plus 1. Consider the base, substitute for the base, so dy by dx will be how much? Is here 6x plus, sorry, it is 3x plus x square plus 6x, and we can take common here. Therefore, we'll be getting here dx equals dy by 3x is common, x plus 2. Now what we'll get here? Now let's move for the question. So 3x dx is here simply dy, so it is y square dy, and question will be y cube, by the answer will be y cube by 3 plus c, and answer is here simply x cube plus 3x square plus 1 whole power 3 by 3 plus c. That's the answer. Okay, let me solve the same question by trig method. Let's see here, just within second the problem can be solved. So okay, integration 3, just you multiply here 3x square plus 6x, isn't it? Now x cube plus 3x square plus 1 whole square dx. Now look here, derivative for this is 3x square and 6x, same here, so you direct use power rule, will be getting answer x cube plus 3x square plus 1 whole power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. That's your answer. See, same thing we are getting. Okay, question number 8. So hope you are enjoying this video. So if you understand this and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share among your friends, and please write and comment also, so that I can upload many more videos in coming days for you. So let's see question number 8. X plus 2 times x square plus 4x plus 3 power minus 1 by 2 dx. No problem, we can solve. See here again, as before, substitute here for base. So y equals x square plus 4x plus 3. So from that we'll get here dy by dx equals how much? 2x plus 4. So that dy dx will be dy by, so if you take here 2 common, so it is a dy by 2 common, x plus 2. Now the question becomes, you can see here x into, so it is just, it will be simply here, so put the value of dx, so x dx is dy, and there will be 2 outside, so 2, so just x plus 2, and this is y power minus 1 by 2, dx is dy by 2, x plus 2, these 2 cancel, so we'll be getting here answer as 1 by 2 outside, and by integration it will be minus 1 by 2 plus 1, it is 1 by 2, so that 2 and 2 cancel, plus c, answer will be, it is 1 by 2 means 1 by root, y is how much? Y is x square plus 4x plus 3 plus c. That's it. Now let's see how can we solve the same problem by trig method. By trig also we can solve that. So now, as before, you just write the derivative of base first. So it is here 2x plus 4, and then x square plus 4x plus 3 whole power minus 1 by 2 dx. Now to balance this, we'll write here 1 by 2. Now see here, once the derivative of this base is here, we can use power rule. So direct we can use power rule, so 1 by 2 and x square plus 4x plus 3 whole power minus 1 by 2 plus 1, and again here it is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 here, so 2 cancel, we'll be getting here same answer, x square plus 4x plus 3, power 1 by 2 means root we can write, so power 1 by 2 means, sorry, yeah, it's not the divide, so it is root x square root y. Root y means square root of x square plus 4x plus 3 plus c. Same thing, plus c. We are getting the same answer. Okay, so it is plus, so it will going to be root x square plus 4x plus 3. Now let's move for question number 9. Question number 9 is here. Question number 9. So it is up question number 9. So let's see what is the question number 9. Integration x square plus 1 times x cube plus 3x. This one, x cube plus 3x plus 4 whole power minus 1 by 2 dx. Now look here. In this case also we will start with substitution. So put y equals x cube plus 3x plus 4. Then dy by dx will be how much? 3x squared plus 3. Now dx equals how much? dy by 3 times x squared plus 1. Now question becomes here, let's put here the value of, so x square and x square will be cancelled. So let's put the value x square plus 1 times y whole power minus 1 by 2 dx is dy by 3 times x square plus 1. So these two cancel and we have now again 1 by 3 integration of y power minus 1 by 2 is minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2. So it is plus c. It is going to be 2 by 3. 2 will go up 2 by 3 and root y means plus c. So we can substitute the value for y. Root y means how much is there? X cube plus 3x plus 4 plus c. By trig also we have the same answer. Let's see trig. What is the trick behind this? Integration. So x square plus 1 x cube plus 3x plus 4 whole power minus 1 by 2 dx. So what do you do? Always see, check whether derivative of the base is there or not. It is there. So just if it is not there, so you manage this. So right here 3x square plus 3 and balance this by putting 1 by 3. X cube plus 3x plus 4 whole power minus 1 by 2. Once derivative is there, so now we can use the power rule. So 1 by 3 and by power rule we'll be getting here x cube plus 3x plus 4 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is 1 by 2 and then 1 by 2 is here, so we'll be getting here 2 by 3 square root of x cube plus 3x plus 4 plus c plus c. This is our answer. Check that. By both method we have the same answer. Okay, so let me solve another question. My dear students, if you have not subscribed my channel, so please subscribe it and also hit the bell icon so that you'll be getting notification as soon as I upload the video. So now move for question number 10. Question number 10 is x sine ax square plus b and dx. So by substitution for trigonometric ratio you substitute for the angle. Trigonometric means trigonometric, you substitute for angle. Okay, substitute for angle. This is the tips. Okay, if you follow this it will be easy for you. In case of polynomial, we'll substitute for base. For polynomial substitute for base. Okay, this is going to help you, and in this way you can solve the problem in easy way. Now let's see the substitution method, and then again I'll be sharing the trick also for this. Put y equals ax square plus b, then dy by dx will be how much? 2ax. Therefore dx is dy by 2ax. Now the question becomes x sine y, and dx is dy by 2ax. So x cancelled, and then we have 2a. Indication of sine means it is here cos y plus c, but it is negative, so right here negative. So cos ax square plus b by, here it is negative, 2a plus c. This is our integration. Final answer. By trick, how can we solve this? In just a second. Look here. So first you write the derivative of this angle. It is 2ax. Derivative of this angle. Then write here sine ax square plus b and dx. Now, so we don't have this 2a to balance this. We'll write here 1 by 2a. Now write the formula for sine. So it is here minus cos ax square for x square plus b by 2a plus c. That's your answer. See here. So if derivative of the angle for the trigonometric ratio is given there, we can use direct formula if the power of trigonometric ratio is 1. Okay, so let's move to another question. Question number 10. 10 we have solved. Now for 11. Question number 11. Question is here x square cos x cube plus 1 dx. Okay, so this one again by substitution method, let's put for the angle means x cube plus 1 equals y, and then here it will be dy by dx equals 3x square. Therefore dx equals what? Dy by 3x square. Now the question becomes here, simply it is x square and cos y dx means dy by 3x square, x square cancel, and then we have here indication of cos y is sine y plus c by 3 is 3, and so it will be a sine x cube plus 1 by 3 plus c. Now let's see the trick method. Let's see how we can solve within just second. Okay, so integration, always write first derivative of the angle. So it is here 3x square cos x cube plus 1 and dx. So to balance this, we have to put 1 by 3 there. Once the derivative of this angle is here, you can use formula. Derivative of integration of cos is sine, so it is here sine x cube plus 1 by 3 plus c. Finished. This is question number 11. Now look at the trigonometric function. You suppose the angle or substitute for the angle. So y equals log x. Dy by dx equals what? 1 by x. Therefore dx equals x dy. Now the question is here 1 by x sine y dx is x dy. So dx x cancelled, and then integration of sine is minus cos y plus c, and that means minus cos y means here log x plus c. This is your answer. By trig method also we have the same answer. Let me explain. So by trig, what should we do here? First we write the question 1 by x and sine log x dx. Now check the derivative of this angle. It is 1 by x, so direct the formula can be used for this. Indication of sine is minus cos log x plus c. Okay, that's your answer. Number 30, question number 30. Hope you are enjoying this video, and if you have any confusion, if you are not getting this, or if you think it is a little bit fast, so you can pause the video and do by yourself, and then you can move, or you can watch if you neat. Okay, so first you try by yourself and then watch this video. Question number 13. Integration sine cube x and then times cos x dx. This is the question. So let's see here. Derivative for this sine is cos here. So let's put here, put y equals sine x. Dy by dx will be how much? Dx means derivative of sine is cos x. Therefore dx is how much? Dy by cos x. Now the question becomes, look here, sine means we have substituted for y as y, so it is y cube. Cos x dx means just simply cos x, and dx means dy by cos cancel. So it is, answer is y power 4 by 4 plus c, and it is here sine 4x by 4 plus c. This is your answer. Now by trig method, in one line you'll be getting the answer. See here how integration sine x whole cube cos x dx. Now check the derivative of this. Derivative of base is here cos x, so you can use direct power rule. So by power rule it will be here sine x power 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 plus c, which is same as your answer. Okay, hope you understood this and hope you are enjoying this video. 14. So the question is sine square x cos square cube x dx. Okay, so in this type of problem what we can do here, let's write like this: sine square x and then write here cos square x cos x dx, isn't it? So now what we can do here, sine square x means as it is, let's write here sine square x for cos square, we can write here 1 minus sine square x, okay, and then cos x dx. Now what we can do here, let's multiply. So sine square x minus sine 4x and then cos x is there, isn't it? So if we separate, we'll get here sine square x cos x dx minus sine power 4x cos x dx. Now as before, just we have substituted, so I have explained it in previous video. So sine x is here, its derivative is here, so we can directly use formula sine cube x by 3 minus sine power 5x by 5. You can see the previous video how we can substitute for it. So let me show you for this one. So what we can do here, derivative is given here, derivative. So derivative of sine is just here cos, so we can directly use formula. So if you want to see the process also, we can solve by process. What we have to do, put here process. See here what we'll get here, just I'm going to do. So process, by process, put here, you'll be putting here sine x equals y. Then what we'll get here, dy by dx equals what? Cos x. That means dy equals cos x dx. Therefore you'll be getting here dx equals dy by cos x. And then you will get here by substitution, you'll be getting here. Now question is here, that also we can write here. So it is simply integration y square and then dy. So cos x dx is dy, cos x dx is minus y power 4 dy. Again you can see here it is y cubed by 3 minus y power 5 by 5 plus c, and then is here sine cube x by 3 minus sine power 5x by 5 plus c. We can write direct also if you know, if you have the concept, or if you want to follow the process. So by process also will be getting the same answer. So let's see question number 15. Question number 15. Now let's solve question number 15. 15. So question cos or 5x sine cube x dx as before. So what we can do here, cos power 5x as it is, and then 1 sine square means 1 minus cos square x, and then 1 sine x is there, dx. Now let's multiply, so it will be cos power 5x sine x dx minus cos power 7x sine x dx. So let's substitute for cos, put y equals cos x, so then we'll be getting here, then dy by dx equals how much? Minus sine x. Therefore we can write here dx equals how much? Minus dy by sine x. Now we'll be getting here cos means it is here y power 5, and then x sine x is here simply minus dy by sine x into sine x is there, cancelled, so minus minus plus will be here, it is simply y power 7, and sine x dx means sine x dx is minus dy, so minus minus plus I've done dy. So what we are getting here, so y power 6 means 5 means it will be y power 6 by 6 plus y power 7 plus 1 8 by 8 plus c, and answer will be y means here cos power 8x by 8 minus cos 6x by 6 plus c. This is our answer. Or you can direct put answer here. Derivative of cos x is sin x. So it should be minus sine. So you can balance, and that's minus 6 by 6 you can see here. And here again it will be plus, minus it comes here. So it will be cos or 8 by 8 also. We'll be getting answer. Direct you can put. Use this method in entrance exams. Let's see here question number 16. Okay, question number 16. Number 16. Integration a sine x minus b whole power 3 times cos x dx. So put here y equals a sine x minus b. So dy by dx will be how much? It is derivative of sine is cos a cos x. Therefore we can write dx equals dy by a cos x. Now the question becomes here y cube cos x dx means dy by a cos x, because cos cancel, so it is here 1 by a y power 4 by 4 plus c, simply it will be 1 by 4 a sine x minus b whole power 4 plus c. Also by trick also we can have the same answer as I told you. So you see the derivative of here integration a sine x minus b whole power 3 cos x dx. This is the question, and derivative of a sine x minus b is cos x, and which is given here, derivative is just given, so you can direct use for by power rule. We'll be getting here power rule, use power rule to get answer a sine. So it will be here derivative of this will be is a cos x, so not given, so what we can do here, we can put here a and times by a balance this, so that a sine x minus b whole power 4 by 4 and times 1 by a is already there plus c. This is our answer. Direct we can write answer thus by trick also. Now let me solve the question number 17 for you. Question number 17. Number 17 is here sine x dx by 1 minus cos x whole power m and dx. So let's see the process first, then I'll be solving it by trick. So put here y equals 1 minus cos x, then find dy by dx. It is derivative of cosine x. Therefore, we can write here dx equals dy by sine x. Now the question becomes here, if see sine x dx means dy by sine x, and it will be 1 by y power n. So it is going to be y power minus n plus 1 by 1 minus n plus c. So it is going to be y means 1 minus cos x whole power 1 minus n by 1 minus n plus c. See the trick for this, how the trick works. So in this case, see the derivative is sine x times 1 minus cos x minus n dx. So now derivative of 1 minus cos x is sin x, so directly we can use our formula. So it will be 1 minus cos x minus n plus 1 minus n plus 1 plus c. Answer will be same, 1 minus cos x 1 minus n by 1 minus n plus c. This is your answer. Hope you understood this, and if you have any confusion, you can ask me, you can write in comment box so that I can help you. Lesson number 18. If you are understanding this and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share among your friends. Question number 18. Integration of cot x log sin x whole power 3 dx. Okay, so as before, we can substitute and solve it. Let's put here, put log sin x as y, then we'll be getting answer as dy by dx equals cos x by sin x, because derivative of log is 1 by x, so 1 by sin will be here, derivative of sin is cos, so it is actually cot x. So dx equals how much? Dy by cot x. Now we can write here, so x cot x is given there, so it will be y cube and dy, so y power 4 by 4 plus c. That's answer is here log sin x whole power 4 by 4 plus c. Answer. So trick by trick also we can see here, simply trick, according to trick, the derivative of this base is here direct. Derivative of log sin x is cot x, so it is given, so direct we can use formula log sin x whole 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 plus c. Answer is log sin x whole power 4 by 4 plus c. Answer. Direct, so you can do. So use this method in trans exam only, or to check your answer. Question number 19. Let's see 19 number. Question number 19. How can we solve this? Tan square theta times sec 4 theta d theta. So we'll write like this: tan square theta as it is. For sec 4 theta, be using here sec square theta. Right here sec square theta into sec square theta d theta. So now we can write here tan square theta 1 plus tan square, or sec square we can use, and don't write, just write as it is, the sec square theta d theta. So it is here simply now tan square theta sec square theta by separation, by separating we'll get this, and then integration of sec square theta d theta, 10 power 4 theta sec square theta d theta. Let's put here, by substitution we'll be getting here, put 10 y equals tan theta, then we'll be getting here dy by d theta equals 10 with sec square theta, so d theta will be how much? This will be dy by sec square theta. So now the question becomes, if you see question now, the question becomes here integration of y square sec square theta, and d theta means dy plus tan 4 means y power 4 and dy. So answer will be y cubed by 3 plus y power 5 by 5 plus c. Answer is here 10 power. Y means we have substituted y means tan theta, so it can 10 cubed by theta by 3 plus 10 power 5 theta by 5 plus c. Okay, hope you understood this, and if you have understood, if you like this video, please share among your friends and just practice to do better in mathematics. Okay, and now question number 20. Number 20, it is here 10 cube x times sec 4x dx. Okay, so what can be done here in this case? Let's write here 10 cube x sec square means we can write here sec square x into sec square x for sec 4x. Now it can be written as here simply 10 cube x and then 1 plus 10 square x sec square x dx. Let's separate this, so that we'll be getting here 10 cube x and then sec square x dx plus 10 power 5x and sec square x dx. As before, by substitution, if you put y equals 10x, we'll be getting here dy by dx equals sec square x, that means sec square dx. So will be answer will be simply connect here 10 4x by 4 plus 10 5 means 6x by 6 plus c. If you follow the process, you will be getting answer directly. And derivative is given here, so you can use direct formula. This is your answer. Question number 21. Let's move to question number 21. Number 21. So 10 cube x sec 4 21 is here sec to the power 3 by 2 dx sec x. So as before, let's change like this. Okay, 10 cube x dx sec, this can be written as sec square x and then so right here in this way 10 square for this sec cube. So okay, so this what we can do, we need to change this sec square plus sec x plus, so what can we do? Let's 10x 10 square x sec x and then sec square x and sec 1 by 2 dx. We can write like this. Okay, so it is going to be here, so for we can write sec x 10x together, and then we can write here 10 square means for 10 square it is sec square x minus 1 sec power 1 by 2x dx. Now if we separate like this here, so we'll be getting here sec square x into so 2 plus 1 by 2 is 5 by 2 x, then sec x 10x minus integration and dx will be there minus sec power 1 by 2 x sec x 10x dx. Okay, so let's put here sec x equals y, then you'll be getting y dash equals sec x and tan x, so that we can write here dx. Then now we can put this as y power 5 by 2 and dy minus this will be y power 1 by 2 and dy, because this gives here dx equals how much? Dy by dx means dy by sec x tan x. So dx will be dy by dx this one. So it will be here y power 7 by 2, 2 by 7 minus 3 by 2, 2 by 3, y power 3 by 2 plus c. Answer will be y is how much? Sec. So sec 7 by 2 x 2 by 7 minus 2 by 3, 2 by 3 sec power 3 by 2 x plus c. That will be our final answer. Okay, so let's see question number 22. Question number 22. Let's see how we can solve question number 22. Number 22. 22. Cot whole power 3 by 2 x and cosec is over 4x dx. How can we solve this problem? So okay, as before, let's try. So cot power 3 by 2, this is 3 by 2 x cosec square x and cosec square x dx. So it will be integration cot 3 by 2 x 1 plus cot square x and cosec square x dx. So now just by multiplication we'll be getting here cot whole power 3 by 2 x cosec square x dx plus, so square and plus, so 4 plus 3 7 cot power, so here 2 plus 3 by 2, so it will 4 plus 3 7 by 2 x and cosec square x dx. Now, and if we substitute for, let's say put cot x y equals cot x, then we'll be getting here dy by dx equals how much? Cot x, derivative of cot x is cosec square x, so we'll be getting here, so thus will by substitution we get here. Now we can write here, it is simply y power minus y power 3 by 2 dy minus integration of y power 7 by, this is y power minus 7 by 2 dy. Answer will be not minus, so minus common, and answer will be 3 by 2 plus 1 means 5 by 2 by 5 y power 5 by 2 minus and minus plus, so y power 7 here, so 7 plus 1, 7 plus 2 9, 2 by 9 y power 9 by 2 and plus c. So just replace the value of y, it is going to be 2 by 5 c cot 5 by 2 x plus 2 by 9 cot 9 by 2 x plus c. This is your answer. Let's move to question number 23. Question number 23. Question number 23. Okay, question number 23. Sin ax plus cos ax by sin ax minus cos ax d. So derivative of sin is cos is sin. So put here sin ax minus cos ax equals y. then dy by dx equals a cos ax, and then derivative of cos is minus, so it is plus a sin ax. So we'll get here dx equals dy by a common sin ax plus cos ax. Yes, we have now. Question is here, and will be here 1 by, so it is going to be sin ax plus cos ax, and this is y times dx means dy by a sin ax plus cos ax. This cancels, so 1 by a, and by y means log y plus c, and so it will be 1 by a log y is how much? Sin ax minus cos ax plus c. That's your answer. Okay, let's take question number 24. So simply by trick also you can solve this problem. Derivative of base is in numerator, so just balance and get the answer. So for this here 23 number trick, how can we solve the basic question number 23? So integration sin ax plus cos ax by sin ax minus cos ax dx. So let's write first derivative of this in numerator. So a cos ax plus a sin ax. To balance this, we'll write here 1 by a sin ax minus cos ax dx. So once the derivative of this is in numerator, so directly we write here 1 by a log sin ax minus cos ax. Okay, so let's see question number 24. Question number 24 is here integration cot x dx. So in this case, what should you do? These are typical problems 24, 25, 26, 27 number. So let's see here. For this, you write here cot x means cos x by sin x dx. So put sin x equals y, then dy by dx will be cos x, therefore dx is how much? Dy by cos x. Now the question becomes cos x by y, and dx is dy by cos x, so we simply log y plus c, and so it will be log, so we can write here the answer is log y plus c means log sin x plus c. This is your formula. Okay, by trick, if you want to solve this, then for this we can use the trick also. Simply cot x dx, then simply it is your cos x by sin x and dx. So its derivative of sin x is cos x, so we can write here direct log sin x plus c. Finished. This is how we can solve by trick method also. So similarly, let's move to question number 25. 25 number 25. 25 is integration of tan x dx. So how can we solve this problem? So write like this. So tan x means it is here sin x by cos x dx, isn't it? So now we can write by substitution cos x equals y, then dy by dx equals derivative of sin is derivative of cos is minus sin x, so it will be dx equals, therefore we can write here dx equals how much? Dx equals minus dy by sin x. Now the question becomes here, check here, sin x by cos x means y, and dy is minus dy by sine x. Okay, so this sine cancel, and then here we'll get here minus log y plus c, which gives here minus log y means cos, so minus log cos x plus c. Also this can be written as here, so minus will go in power, so cos x power minus 1 plus c, which gives here 1 by cos, means it is log sec x plus c. Okay, so sometimes this is used and final result is also used, so you have to know both the results. Now let's see here, if you want to integrate this by trig method here, if you want to use trig for this, so simple here sine x by cos x tan x. After that we can see derivative of cos is minus sine, so right here minus sine x by cos x dx, put here minus, so it is minus log cos x plus. Finish, then you can simplify further to get answer minus, so it will be removed and it will be here simply log sec x also plus c as before. Now let's see question number 26. Question number 26. So sec x dx, this is a typical problem. So for this we use different method, so remember, you have to remember for 26 and 27, that means for sec x and tan x we multiply up and down by some number, so it is here sec x, so multiply up and down by sec x plus tan x, sec x plus tan x, multiply up and down, you remember this, and then substitute, put here y equals sec x plus tan x, then dy by dx will be simply, it is here derivative of sec is sec x tan x, derivative of tan is sec square x, so we'll be getting here as dx equals, say, dy by sec x, common, sec x plus tan x. Now the question becomes, see here, simply, it is simply sec x tan x, this is this whole is dy and 1 by y dy, so answer will be log sec x plus tan x. This is your answer, plus c will be there. Log y means it is here log y plus c, so answer will be log sec x plus tan x. In case of sec, we write here sum is plus, by plus we multiply up and down. In case of cosec, we multiply up and down by minus. So let's see how we are solving question number 27. For cosec x dx, we multiply up and down by cosec x minus cot x, cosec x minus cot x, up and down by cosec x minus cot x. As before, let's substitute, put y equals cosec x minus cot x, then y dash will be cos x minus cosec x cot x minus cot, it is here minus minus, derivative of cot is minus, so plus cosec square x, and then if you take minus common here, cosec common means cosec is common, so it will be here cosec x minus cot x, therefore dx into cosec x times cosec x minus cot x equals dy, and then we can have this question as this whole is dy by dy by y. Answer will be log y plus c, which is log cosec x minus cot x plus c. This is your answer. Okay, so let's see question number 28. Question number 28, and let me solve it for you and explain it. Question number 28. 10 cube x dx. So what can be done here? We can write like this. 10 cube means 10 square x into 10x dx. Now 10 square can be written as here sec square x minus 1 and 10x dx. So we can use here just to multiply this, so 10x into sec square x dx minus 10x dx. So by substitution we'll get here derivative of 10 is sec, so it is here 10 square x by 2 minus 10x is log, just we have just here used log minus log cos x, derivative of 10 we can use, already we have integrated this, so 10 square x by 2 and minus log cos x minus derivative of minus sec x plus sec x is minus cos x, so we can have this result, since integration of 10x dx is, we can do as before, you can do by yourself, already done this question, so it is here minus log cos x plus c, and then already, so derivative, its derivative is here, so directly we can use formula. 29 number, let's see question number 29, number 9, 29, so it is here 29 number, it is cot cube x and dx, so simply we can write here cot square x into cot x dx. So for this we can write here cot square x means cosec square x minus 1 and cot x dx, so we can multiply on the bracket, so we'll be getting here cot x cosec square x dx minus, it will be, if you multiply this, so cot x and dx. So already we have calculated this and we have the value for this, so again here derivative of, so write like this, derivative of cot x is minus cosec square, so it will be here minus cot square x by 2, and now integration of cot x is log sin x, so log minus, it will be here also minus log sin x plus c, because derivative of integration of cot x is, we have already done this. Question number 30, let's see question number 30, number 30, 10 power 4x dx. Question number 30, sorry, it is here cosec, cot cube, we did here cosec 30 number, sec, sorry, sec 4, sec power raised to 4, sec 4x dx, sec power 4x dx. Question 30. So for this, what do we do here? We write here sec square x and then sec square x dx. Now it can be simplified as sec square x 1 plus 10 square x dx. So if we open this part, so it will be sec square x dx plus 10 square x sec square x dx. So by substitution, and its answer is here, directly we have answer for this 10x. Now its derivative is here, okay, so we can write here 10x whole square and plus, sorry, 2 sec square x dx. So derivative of this is here, derivative is given, so as before. You can substitute and get, so answer will be direct. I'll be writing here, so you can do by yourself. 10 cube x by 3 plus c. Direct we can write here because derivative of this base is given here, so we can use power rule. Let's move to question number 31. Question number 31 is here 10 power 4x dx as before. Let's use here, right here 10 square x into 10 square x dx. So now for 10 we can write here sec square x minus 1, 10 square x dx. So this, open this bracket, so we'll be getting here 10 square x sec square x dx minus 10 square x dx. So here, look here, 10x whole power 2 we can write, and then its derivative, base derivative of base is here sec square x dx, so we can use direct power rule. And now for 10 square x we'll write here sec square x minus 1, so it will be here plus x minus 1 minus 1 plus, so it will be 10 cube x by 3 minus sec base 10x plus x plus c. This is our final answer. Okay, hope you are understanding this, and if you have confusion, any confusion, you can write it in comment box so that I can help you, I can support you. Number 32, let's see, question number 32, 10 power 5x dx. As before, let's write here 10 square x into 10 square x into 10x. Okay, so just write here 10 square x into 10 cube x dx. So we can write here 10 cube x, and for 10 square x sec square x dx, 10 cube x. So see here, it can be written as here 10x whole cube, and its derivative is sec square, sorry, and so for sec square x minus 1 dx. So we can write answer as this, so just multiply this 10 cube x sec square x dx minus 10 cube x dx. So already we have solved this. Now 10 cube x is derivative is here, so directly we can write here formula, but 10 cube x sec square x dx. Now for this, what do we have already solved this problem, so right here 10 square x into 10x. 10 square x means sec square x minus 1, and then this is 10 square and 10x dx as before. So it will get 10 cube x sec square x dx minus sec square 10x sec square x dx minus plus division of 10x and dx. So direct, now we can use formula as before. If you use substitution method, you will be getting here 10 power 4x by 4. You will be getting answer as here 10 square x by 2, because its derivative is given here, so we can use power 1, and integration of 10 is plus log sec x plus c. Okay, minus log cos x also you can write. This is question number 32. Hope you understood this, and then if you have any confusion, if you like this video, please share this among your friends and like and subscribe my channel. So 32 we have done. Now move to 33. Question number 33, it is 10 square x plus 10 over 4x and dx. It looks like a difficult problem, but no, it's no more difficult. So just we can take here 10 square x common, and it is going to be 1 plus 10 square x dx. That means it is 10x whole power 2. 10 1 plus 10 square is 6 square x dx. So now its derivative is here. So by substitution method you can follow, but I'm just writing direct for you. It is 10 cube x by 3 plus c. But you can follow the substitution method to get the answer. Substitute 10x equals, put 10x equals y, and then you'll be getting answer. Okay. Question number 34. Let's see question number 34. Question number 34. Integration e power sin x cos x times cos 2x dx. The question is integration of e power sin x cos x times cos 2x dx. So in case of exponential function, please you note down this trick or tips you can remember. Exponential function substitute for power, whatever is there in power. So if you use this trick, it is going to be easy for you. So let here put y equals sin x cos x, that means 2y equals sin 2x, 2 dy by dx equals 2 cos 2x, that means dx equals dy by cos 2x. Okay, so now the question becomes here simply e power y, and cos x dx is simply y, so answer will be e power y plus c, that means e power sin x and cos x plus c. This is your answer. Okay, so in this case also we can use the trick. So direct also we can write here a solution for this. Derivative of power means here d by dx of sin x cos x is cos 2x. We have already seen, so this is given here, so direct you can write here. Integration of ex is ex, so it is here simply e sin x cos x plus c. This is your answer, C. Now let's move for 35. Question number 35. Number 35. Look here. E to the power sin square x times sin 2x dx. So as I told you, again the trick is there, so substitute, put here y equals sin square x, then dy by dx will be 2 sin x cos x, that is sin 2x. Therefore we can write here dx equals sin 2, okay, so dx equals dy by sin 2x. Now we'll have here simply e power y dy, okay, and then integration is e power y plus c, that is e power sin square x plus c. Also by trick also you can direct write the answer. See here, derivative of d by dx of sin square x is simply sin 2x. So you can directly use the formula for exponential function. Integration of exponential function is ex. So e sin square x plus c will be the answer. Direct. Hope you understood this and hope you like this video. If you have any confusion, any suggestions, please you write it in comment box. Thank you so much. God bless you. Okay, once again, warm welcome you all to channel Meet MIT, that is Math is Tricky. Thank you so much for encouraging me. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel and sharing. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel and sharing more. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel and sharing among your friends. Now let's continue. Question number 36. Here the problem is 1 minus 1 by x square times e power x plus 1 by x and dx. So now as before, let's put y equals x plus 1 by x. Then you'll be getting here dy by dx equals 1 minus 1 by x square. We know the derivative. So therefore we can write here dx equals dy by 1 minus 1 by x square. Now the question becomes here, now we can write here, so this is e power y and dy means dx into 1 minus x square, 1 by x square. So answer will be e power y plus c, that is e to the power x plus 1 by x plus c is your answer. By trick also you can solve this here. So always see derivative of this is given here, so you can write direct e power x plus by x plus c. Okay, in case of exponential function you have to care about, to see the power of exponential function. What is the power in case of e? Okay, and then you substitute for that, you'll be getting the answer. Let's see question number 36. Now we can solve this sine root x by root x dx. So I have already told you, for trigonometric function substitute for angle. Put here y equals root x, then dy by dx will be 1 by 2 root x. For root x, this is your formula. So you can write here x power 1 by 2, then 1 by 2 will come, then minus 1 means it is here minus 1 by 2, and this is root x. Therefore dx is how much? Dx will be simply, dx will be 2 root x and dy. Now the question becomes, look here, so it is sine y dx means 2 x cancels 2, dy will be there, and it is simply minus 2 cos y plus c. Indication of sign is negative, so it is here minus 2 sine, cos y means root x plus c. This is our answer. So in case direct also we can use, or we can solve this by trick also if you want to use the trick. So look here how to solve this. Sine root x by 2 root x into 2 and dx. Derivative of this root x is 1 by 2 root x, so you can write here direct. The indication of sign is minus cos, and then into 2 plus c. Same thing we have. Okay, hope you understood this. Now let's move to question number 38. The question number 38 is here e to the power 2x by 1 plus e power x and dx. So how can we solve this? So to solve this, what we can do here, let's simplify and then solve it for, in this case a little bit it is different. So we can, what we can do here, let's write here e power x into e power x. Okay, and now then 1 plus e power x dx. Number of methods are there. So to solve this, what we can do here, we can write here e power x minus 1 equal, right, like this. So it can be written as here e power x whole square minus 1 plus 1 by 1 plus e power x dx. So what do we get here? So a square means b square formula. We can write here e power x plus 1 e power x minus 1 by 1 plus e power x and plus 1 is here dx. So by simplification we will be getting answer as this. 2 will be cancelled, so it will be e power x minus 1 dx plus again 1 by 1 plus e power x dx. So what can be done? So in this case we can, for this we have integration e power x dx minus, we can write here dx and plus, write like this, e power minus x by multiply of and down by e power minus x, so it will be e power minus x plus 1 dx. Now, so e power x for this minus x for this. Now see the derivative of this will be minus, so we write here just minus, and then just by substitution we'll be getting here this as e power. So derivative is there, so we can write a derivative of for this e power minus x plus 1 will be e power x into minus 1, so my log directly e power minus x plus 1. Okay, so this is how we can solve. If you simplify further, you'll be getting here plus c will be there. Another way is also there for this type of problem. What we can do is let me solve by another method, alternative method also. So plus e power x dx. So put here, put 1 plus e power x equals y. Then what do we get here? Dy by dx equals e power x. Now, therefore dx equals how much? Dy by e power x. Now we can write here e power x into e power x, and then dx means dy by e power x, and this is y. We have substituted this. So what we can write here, e power x, as e power x means from this we'll be getting here e power x equals how much? Y minus 1. So we can write here y minus 1 by y dy, that is, if you separate this, so it is simply dy minus 1 by y dy. So answer will be y minus log y plus c, which gives answer y means 1 plus e power x minus log y means 1 plus x plus c. This is alternative method. In this way also you can solve. There are so many methods, so you can follow any one to get the answer. So let's see another question, question number 39. Question number 39. So it is here e power x minus 1 by e power x plus 1 dx. So okay, so what we can do here is write like this. So let's take common x by 2 here, so it will be x by 2 minus e power minus x by 2. Again, let's take common e power x by 2, so it will be e power x by 2 minus and plus here x power x minus x by 2. Why we are doing this? So that something will be cancelled. Now derivative of this is in numerator. So put here y equals e power x by 2 plus e power minus x by 2. So dy by dx will be how much? 1 by 2 e power x by 2 minus 1 by 2 e power x by 2. So that you'll be getting answer as here. Therefore 2 dy by e power x by 2 minus e power x by 2 equals dx. Now the question becomes, see here, the question becomes here, if you substitute this dx equals, so it is simply, now we have from question, this dx means dy by y. Answer is log y plus c. It means here, just simply you can write answer for this log e power x by 2 minus e power minus x by 2 plus c. This is your answer. Or you may use different method also. So what can be done here? Let's see. So different form of answer will get by simplification at last. Another method, alternative method is there also. So you can proceed in this way. E power x plus 1 minus 2 by e power x plus 1 and dx. So by separating you'll be getting here dx minus 2 and 1 by e power x plus 1 dx. Already we have solved this type of problem. So it is x minus 2 and for this e power minus x by e power minus x plus 1 we can write here. So what we'll get here, multiplying by, since its derivative is there also up, so it will be simply x and minus plus 2 log e power x minus x plus 1, and now plus c, and if you change this in positive, then you will be getting answer. Okay, you proceed and get the same answer. So now let's move to question number 40, and let me solve it for you. Question number 40, integration x e power x dx by cos square x e power x minus e power x. So put here, in case of trigonometry, we always substitute for angle. Put y equals x e power x minus ax. So dy by dx will be how much? By product rule, we'll get here derivative of first function into second function, and plus derivative of second function into first function minus ax will be getting here. Therefore dx equals how much? Dy by x e power x. Now this is dy by cos square y, this is sec square y dy, integration of sec square y is tan y plus c, so we can write here tan, and y is x e power x minus e power x plus c. This is your answer. Hope you understood this, hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any confusion, please don't hesitate to share with me. Please like and subscribe my channel. Also hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified as soon as I'll be uploading the video, as soon as I upload the video. So thank you so much. God bless you.
Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like this video. Please do share this video with your friends, in your circle, in your social media, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. God bless you.